Hi everybody, James here, and in this video we're going to talk about some helpful information to the admin users to just see how well your system is actually running, how many people are connected to your system and viewing the target faces, along with some other data stuff. So we're going to go into that now. So when you're logged in as admin, what you want to do is come over to the big info circle. Now we get this large amount of numbers here that all mean something, and we're going to break that down. So under the PRF semicolon 1CN. Now the 1CN is referring to one device connected to your S7 server. Obviously, with the more devices connected, the higher this number will be. Now this is helpful for diagnosing whether it is the large number of users that may be causing your system become slow and sluggish, and also it may help diagnose if somebody is having an issue with the system. If it's just them, then its problem could lie within their device. If all devices are showing the same symptoms of running slow, then it could be another issue, i.e. the S7 server is too far away from those connected devices, and so on. This can be helpful trying to diagnose if you're having a sluggish system and whether or not it's with individual devices or as a whole. So this is a good way to check to make sure also if you are running an open prize meet and say have a large number of shooters, if you start seeing 100 plus users on the server, then that could be slowing down the system, and it's a good idea to just remind people to please log off the S7 server and not view the targets, just to help speed things up and stop any issues. Now, some other things that may be of note. If we come over here, we have a millisecond reading. This means that there is a heartbeat message being exchanged between the server and each connected target viewer device every 2.6 seconds. So basically, that's how quick the data is being transferred between for them to be displayed on the screen for your shots and etc. like that. Over on the next one, we see a number with a bracket in microseconds. This shows the amount of CPU time, user and system that was used during the last heartbeat interval. This number will grow with increasing load, the number of connected devices, number of shots fired since the last heartbeat, etc, etc. So as this number starts to increase due to having to broadcast to multiple devices, then that could also be indicating of your system starting to slow down. So again, check this number in reference to how many connected devices, and if you have a large number of connected devices and a large number here, then that's a good indicator to again remind people to please log off the system to enable it to start running a little bit more smoothly. Now, the last number here with a B at the end of it, this is the heartbeat message data size registered in bytes. So it's saying that 203 bytes was transferred on the last heartbeat message, and so on. So that's how much data is being transferred. When you start seeing shots being recorded, this number will jump up, and then when there's no shots, it'll jump back down. So it's just a little helpful video to understanding a little bit more about your system and seeing if it's running at the optimum performance levels.